Alright. Welcome back. We're gonna be reacting to Try Not to Laugh, Dank Meme Edition. Let's get started. What was that? I like this flag, it's catchy.
It's my duty as your dean to say you will never become an architect. I am an architect.
Let's go.
It's a watermelon. What is that?
Introducing the all-new KFC $10 chicken
Oh, weird.
with 9 chicken tenders, or 6 pieces of chicken, or 12 hot wings, or popcorn nuggets. Now get out there and have fun. Woo! Now it's making looking good. People ask me all the
Oh, the Spider-Man.
The secret is that when you use your right hand, you're trying to push against the opposite of the way the bottle wants to go, because your hand isn't designed to twist this way. When you use your left hand, it comes right off. Now you too can fuck as many bitches as I do.
What?
Jefferson County High School teacher has now received the longest suspension on record for calling a student the N-word. Get away from the door, nigga. And I repeated, why is this word used so frequently? So I just don't understand. And I'm trying to understand it. I need help. Yes, I need help.
Why would you say that in the news?
I put the H on it to emphasize. Ah. Nigga, please. Nigga. Hey, can you lend a nigga a pencil? Jesus. Aha! In the distance, a small cottage with a light on. Hope. You move stealthily toward it. But your leg! Ah! It's caught in a bear trap!
What?
That's just giving some fucking creeps. How long does this shit go on for? Kidding.
What is this all about? This is all about this. What the what?
Why is he throwing eggs? It's eggs, yeah.
Start that fire, Carter.
It's harder.
Sorry, why'd you start that fire?
Because I felt like it.
Okay, well, there you have it.
Raspberry.
What the what?
Just the way we all are. But for the young man you're about to meet, blending into the crowd is an almost impossible dream. Well, the first thing you notice about Igor is undoubtedly his height. Spend some time with him and you realise he's also charming, funny, complex, and heartbreakingly lonely. He also has the biggest I've ever seen. You just have to find a way to coax it out of him.
What the
This
what?
is just what it sounds like if we Swiss try to speak American.
Stand is the big
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, and then is Karma him? Okay.
Going to kill
try.
myself tomorrow.
Is he gonna
He's a
range?
good man.
I know he's gonna
Have
range.
fun, dude. Wait, what?
Oh, look at this giant mountain.
Okay.
Let's find out what's inside. Yeah, I bet you thought I was gonna say send nudes, didn't you? Fucking predictable idiot.
変だよ。具合でも悪いの？多分風邪。なぜだかわからないけど、菅原くんのことが頭をよぎる。こんなの初めて。本当に風邪なのかな。失礼します。
What the?
Get away from me, racist! She's gone!
What the what?
動機強くなってきた。
Come on over here. Come on, coward. Coward! I know that I want to punch you in the nose. Don't beat your goddamn ass, you son of a bitch. You're an intellectual dumbass. And I'm coming. You coward. Think you're a tough guy. I hate you, coward. We're gonna defeat this anti-human scum. We're gonna wreck their world.
1990, thank you. 40.99, thank you. 9.99, isn't it incredible? Thank you. Asus Transformer 3 Pro, isn't it incredible? Thank you. Me the Asus Transformer 3, the mobile PC redefined. Thank you. That is the
Thank you.
biggest jump. Thank you. Don't be hurried. 9.99, thank you. 7.99, thank you. 4.99, thank you. 2.49, isn't it incredible? Thank you. 4.79, thank you. 5.99, wow.
Thank you.
I'm still like someone with my powers. In 3 short minutes, I destroyed a man's business, life, existence. Now I'm being followed.
What the heck? What the
Tell
heck?
me you're seeing this too.
You should add another username, but you should put something really inappropriate and see if he says it. We can make a robot say a bad word. Dude, can you just put one word? Why you have a fuck my?
Do not associate with
Yeah, I like that. What the fuck?
Well, hey, how y'all doing today?
What are you doing with that on your hand?
It keeps the voices in.
You mean out.
No, it keeps them in.
No, you mean out.
It keeps them in.
Out.
In.
Out.
In.
Give me that.
You let them out, you put them back.
I'm scared of that. I ain't.
Mission complete!
Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for seeing it all. I did not fail. So tell me if you failed in this video down in the comments below. Bye-bye.